Have you ever wondered why some men leave a lasting impression while others are easily forgotten? Why do some women find themselves thinking about a man non-stop, even when he's not around? The truth is, making a woman miss you isn't about luck. It's about psychology, strategy, and understanding how attraction truly works. Men often believe that making a woman miss them is about playing games or ignoring her, but that's far from the truth. If you genuinely want a woman to crave your presence, you need to tap into her emotions in a way that leaves her longing for you. In this video, we're going to break down the exact steps you need to take to make any woman miss you so badly that she can't stop thinking about you. Whether you're in a new relationship, dealing with distance, or want to rekindle a lost connection, these strategies will work for you. Number 1. The power of absence. They say, absence makes the heart grow fonder, but only if used correctly. If you're always available, constantly texting, and making yourself too accessible, there's no space for her to miss you. The key here is controlled distance. When you stop initiating every conversation and allow her to take the first step, she begins to wonder what you're up to. If she gets used to your constant presence, there is no urgency or excitement in reaching out to you. Unpredictability is another crucial factor. If you always respond instantly and say yes to every request, she won't value your time as much. Instead, start pacing your interactions. Sometimes, take a little longer to reply. Other times, be completely unavailable. This creates an air of mystery, making her anticipate the next time she hears from you. Keeping yourself busy with your own life also helps. When she sees you have goals, hobbies, and a full life outside of her, she starts to feel your absence more deeply. Creating space in her daily routine where you used to be makes her notice that something is missing. That's when the longing begins. A short period of silence can be incredibly powerful, making her realize just how much she enjoys your presence. Number 2. Emotional connection over physical presence. A woman doesn't miss a man simply because he's not around. She misses how he makes her feel. This is why emotional impact is far more important than just physical presence. If you want her to think about you constantly, you need to create moments that she won't forget. Engage in deep conversations that go beyond everyday small talk. Discuss her dreams, fears, and passions. When she feels like you truly understand her, she forms a deeper emotional bond with you. Shared experiences are another key factor. Whether it's a spontaneous road trip, a deep late-night talk, or an inside joke that only you two understand, these moments stick in her mind. When she relives these memories, she will feel your absence even more. Being her emotional safe space is another way to make her miss you. If she feels she can confide in you without judgment, she will begin to associate you with comfort and security. Random, thoughtful gestures also go a long way. A heartfelt message out of the blue or a subtle reminder of something she loves will trigger a deep emotional response. Laughter is also a powerful emotional trigger. If you can make her laugh and feel joy in your presence, she will miss you when you're not around. Number 3. The push and pull effect. The push and pull dynamic is a psychological tool that creates an addictive attraction. Women are naturally drawn to men who give them moments of closeness but then pull away just enough to keep them wanting more. This isn't about manipulation, but about maintaining a natural balance of interest and mystery. At times, shower her with attention, making her feel special and desired. Then, pull back slightly, just enough for her to feel the difference. This contrast makes her appreciate the moments when she has your full attention even more. If you always praise her, she might start taking your compliments for granted. But if you occasionally hold back, she will crave your validation. Keeping an element of mystery is another powerful strategy. You don't have to share every detail of your life. Let her wonder about you. When you create curiosity, she will naturally think about you more. If you're always available and predictable, the excitement fades. But when you add a little bit of uncertainty, she starts looking forward to hearing from you. This keeps the attraction alive and builds anticipation. Number 4. Become the best version of yourself. Women miss men who are valuable, men they see as rare and hard to replace. If you are constantly improving yourself, she will feel a fear of missing out. She will wonder if another woman might recognize your worth before she does. Focus on your passions and personal growth. A man who is driven and goal-oriented is naturally attractive. When she sees that you are chasing your dreams and not just waiting around for her, she will admire you more. Having a vibrant social life that doesn't revolve around her also makes a huge difference. If she knows you have other things going on, she will crave your time and attention even more. Confidence is key. How you carry yourself, how you speak, and even how you walk sends a message. A man who believes in himself is unforgettable. Developing new skills and hobbies adds depth to your character. When she sees you continuously evolving, she will feel intrigued and want to be part of your journey. Taking care of your appearance is another major factor. Looking your best increases self-confidence, and confidence is magnetic. Number 5. Social proof and jealousy. Seeing others value and admire you reinforces your desirability. A vibrant social life, confidence, and subtle signs of competition can increase attraction. When she notices that others find you interesting and engaging, it plants a seed of longing in her mind. However, balance is key. Too much can create unnecessary drama, while the right amount strengthens emotional investment. Mentioning casual interactions with others, sharing exciting moments from your life, and showcasing your social energy in a natural way all contribute to making her feel like she has something valuable to hold on to. If she starts sensing that you are in demand, her mind will work against her, making her feel the need to be closer to you before someone else takes her place. Number 6. The lasting impression. The strongest longing comes from leaving a deep emotional imprint. It's not about playing mind games, it's about creating moments so powerful that they replay in her mind long after you're gone. Whether it's a unique inside joke, a song that reminds her of you, or a shared experience that no one else can replicate, these little details make you unforgettable. The way you make her laugh, the comfort you provide during tough times, and the way you challenge her to be her best self all contribute to the emotional attachment she develops. When you build a strong, meaningful connection, she won't just miss you, she'll crave you. The more she associates you with happiness, excitement, and warmth, the more she'll want you around, and when you finally do return, the reunion will be that much sweeter. If you've made it this far, then you now have the tools to leave a lasting impression and make her miss you. But remember, it's not about manipulation, it's about creating a genuine, unforgettable connection. The most powerful relationships are built on trust, emotional depth, and mutual respect. So take what you've learned, apply it, and watch how things unfold naturally. I want to hear from you. Have you ever made a woman miss you without even trying? Share your experiences in the comments below and let's get a conversation going. Your thoughts might help others on their own journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our next video. If you enjoyed this one, there's a whole lot more where that came from deep relationship insights to psychological attraction tips. Stay tuned and let's keep learning together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.